Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LendingTree for investment loan comparisons, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the LendingTree website at www.lendingtree.com. Once the homepage loads, locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top. Type investment loans into the search bar. Click on the search icon or press enter to proceed. You will be directed to a page dedicated to investment loan options. Review the information provided about different loan types and rates. Scroll down until you find the option to get started or compare rates. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to provide some basic personal information. Fill in details such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to enter accurate information for better loan options. Next, provide information regarding your financial situation. This may include your income, credit score, and desired loan amount. Select the purpose of the loan to clarify your investment intent. After filling out the initial form, click Continue to move forward. You may need to create an account by setting up a password. Follow the instructions to confirm your email address if required. Once completed, log into your new LendingTree account. Navigate to the investment loan section to explore options. Compare the different loan offers based on rates and terms. Select the loans that match your investment goals and financial needs. Proceed to apply for the loans you are interested in. Fill out any additional application information as prompted. Review all details carefully before submitting your applications. Wait for responses from lenders regarding your loan requests. Monitor your email for updates and further instructions from lenders. Make informed decisions based on the offers you receive. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and can now compare investment loans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.